I'm standing under this big, beautiful oak tree because it is such a great reminder to be rooted and connected in our lives. I've put together a 6-week course that is basically about learning horse stance, but it's really not just about learning horse stance. By doing this standing pose, this standing meditation, you'll notice that your legs will start to feel a lot stronger. But it's not just that your legs feel stronger, you also just feel more rooted and grounded in your day-to-day activities. You'll also notice that your balance improves. So again, it's not just that your physical balance improves, but your general feeling of balance throughout the day and your life and your emotional balance improves. We also work on the alignment of your body. So as you advance in this practice, you'll notice subtle changes in the alignment of your body and the awareness that you have. And that awareness also translates into how you're going about your daily life. We work on breathing as well. So we look at different ways to think about breathing patterns, and that is going to decrease some of the stresses that you're dealing with as you learn to add this breath movement to your body. We also, because of all the focusing that we're doing, it seems so simple. We're really just going to be standing there, getting into our legs, but there's a lot of little things to focus on, and that helps to increase the amount of time that you can focus on any task. So again, there's so much more to it than just learning horse stance. These are just 6 little videos that are less than 10 minutes long. I just made them for my students who were, needed something to work on at home, but they're packed with information. And by having them in this course, there's handouts, goals that you can set, added comments, and discussion tabs so that if you have any questions, they're easy to ask. So I'd love for you to check this out and try it with me and discover for yourself how much of an impact doing the horse stance can have in your life. Go to Ground and Self Connect, click the button and register. Hope to see you there.